Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to access your phone book and create a new contact on your Jethro SC490 phone. So let's get into this video. To add a new contact, you'll first press the menu button in the upper left corner. You'll select OK on Contacts and then press the menu button again to pull up options. You'll select Create New Contact. And now you can either save your contact to your phone or your SIM card. We recommend saving your contact to your SIM card in case you ever want to change phones. Your contacts will carry over. Now here you can add the name. We'll select pound to change to uppercase letters. You can also use pound to switch in between uppercase, lowercase, numbers, symbols, and for predictive text. Now we'll continue spelling out Jethro. We'll press twice on number 3 to reach E because it's the second character. And we'll continue doing this until we spell out Jethro. Continue going down. We'll add the phone number. Here you're able to add any other information you would like, and then to save the contact, you'll again press menu on the upper left corner. And now you've added a contact. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment any questions or concerns you may have, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, giveaways, and other fun things. I've also included the link in the description below to our affordable, flexible, and reliable Jethro mobile plans, starting at just $5 a month, so don't forget to check those out. Thanks for watching.